sidebar step installation. Just a quick overview on this thing, how to do it. So part number that we got from Jasper Distribution Center is IAS 223700. Comes with a manual and everything, all parts included, hardware, whatnot. Quick layout of it. Besides the bracket, two brackets for the rear, brackets in front. Essentially what's going to happen is this portion here is going to mount to the body underneath. This is going to go to the body mount bushing and to the frame on the back side of that right there. That will attach to the underside of the bar. So I'll show you guys a quick overview once it's done. I'll put the two videos together. But it's not too hard. Couple tools. Here's where the mounting plate's going to be at. This is 3 bolts here. So we're taking this guy, the label, I'll tell you right there. Driver front, driver rear. If I'm not mistaken. Just like this. Like that. It's location right there. We're going to take this arm, right here, this guy, remove that bolt to the body, top right there, take that bolt out, attach that just like that, run the large bolt through the bottom bracket here, and attach it to the beam right there. And that should be it. This one, you do the same thing for the front. Recommend you put some Loctite on these threads, the bolts. And on this side, the same thing. There's 3 studs here already, pre-existing. So you just put that plate on there, the bracket, attach it to the body mount right there. That right there, remove that, attach the plate. Yeah. And that's washers. Bam. Ready to rock. And then the front of it, we'll go through the same way on that one. Let's see real quick. We'll do a quick setup on it. Really simple, very simple. I'll take this guy just like that. Set up. Now we're gonna run this bracket through the body mount bolt. This one's through the hole in the side there, and then through that hole there'll be a bolt attached to the rail. And that's that. That's the bolt. The lock washer. That'll be going through here and attach it to the side step. Very simple, very straightforward. Really easy to do, anybody can do it. So it should take no more than 20 minutes to install this whole thing. Hardest part would be to take out that bolt right there. That's it. Other than that, on these studs, you put a lock washer or a washer with some thread locker so it don't rattle loose. Keep this plate on, and that's it. Do the same thing on the other side. There you guys. Have any questions, go ahead and let me know. I'll help you guys out if I can. And this is just for some side steps for a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500.